that we had and as a glitch. We are now addressing it. We have put down all our electronic channels so that we can immediately address the situation that we are facing. What has happened was that there were clients, so this is not true to all BPI clients. It affected only some. There are clients who actually had accounts that were debited. Debited means it looked like it got withdrawn or the balances bumaba or nag-negative. And we have clients who actually had double crediting. And that means that these clients actually will see in their accounts more money than what they had. So in this situation, we are actually immediately putting together, correcting it client by client to make sure that whatever balance you had the previous day will be the same balances that you have. We found out about this early this morning, and the entire BPI executive team is actually looking into it, making sure it will get resolved. This is an internal issue. There is a lot of rumor about it being hacking or scam. Let me please emphasize it has nothing to do with that. We at BPI have the highest security standards, and we believe with our clients that we actually make sure that all the things that we have in terms of process are actually of the highest level. Okay? For those clients that were affected, we actually are asking two things. One is, first, as we apologize, we also want you to be a little patient. We will solve it within the day. As we speak, there are some clients that have already been corrected, some clients that are still being processed. And one of the things that we're really looking at is to make sure that before the day ends, all your balances are the same. For those clients that looks like they got a deduction, please be very patient. Hindi po nawala ang pera nyo. Wala po ang mawawala ng pera. Kami po sa BPI, we will make sure na nakabalik. Paper lang po yun, hindi po, wala pong nakakuha ng pera nyo. For those that had double crediting, we ask you, please, please don't touch the money because we will also automatically take it out because it was, diba, pag tinutulungan po natin yung mga nawalan, yung mga nakakuha, please, huwag nyo please galawin yung inyong accounts. We are correcting the situation. To make sure that we correct the situation, we put an announcement. It's on Facebook. It's in the news. We're putting it out that those clients who had a transaction between April 27 to May 2. So, tinatanong po, bakit ang tagal tapos ngayon lang po? Kasi po, it was really an internal error. How do we make sure that it doesn't happen again? Very strict and high standards are already in place. As we speak, we are making sure that it will not happen again. We are also hoping to make sure that everything gets resolved today. And for those who feel that there's something wrong with their account, our branches are open. If there's anyone who needs to withdraw, please go to the nearest branch. And please make sure that as you do this transaction, it's really getting the account that you have in your balance.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, what will happen dun sa mga halimbawa, hindi naman nila alam na sumobra yung withdraw nila?
First of all, di ba, tayong lahat naman, alam naman natin kung magkano yung pera natin sa bangko. So what we're saying is, for those who have extra credits, please don't touch the money. It will be debited from your account. It will be removed. It's not bonus money, no? The same way, we don't want our other clients who had deductions to say, where is my money? We will make sure it goes back. Let me emphasize to the public, there is no money that physically went in or physically went out. There's none. Okay, it's a system data error. So it looks like your account balances either went up or down, but the money is in the bank, right? So if you are about to withdraw, you will be questioned if you are withdrawing more than your balance.
So how many accounts were affected? And we know that you said it's just on paper, but in terms of the amount, how much were credited, how much were debited in total?
Yeah. Well, for those details, we're not. We're still putting the data together, but it's also highly confidential. As you know, we are a bank, and we keep some of the information. I think that's information that we cannot share at this point.
What specific measures are you putting in place to make sure there's no repeat of this incident?
To make sure that there's no repeat of the incident, our highest levels in terms of IT, okay, our CIO and the heads are already all into it, making sure that the glitch doesn't happen again.
If it's not hacking, what's the source of the glitch? Is it data overload or whatever data they're...
Okay, every day, okay, we actually do batch processing. So somewhere in that process this morning or midnight, there was an error. Okay, someone must have touched something which was not. We've been in the business for over 166 years, almost 166 years, and we're saying that because we have the highest strict standards, we actually have very strict protocols. So it was really an error. There was really just something that happened, and that's why we were able to address the situation immediately.
So apart from the glitch, there's human error involved?
It's a system, so we're still assessing if it was a specific human error that got into the processing.
So you haven't identified any people responsible for the error?
There are, but that's something that we are doing internally. There are. Yes, there are.
So will you be firing people?
Oh, okay. I don't think that's something that I can respond to at this point. What I can reassure the public is that we at BPI will always have the strictest and highest level when it comes to expectations from our clients and our systems. We are also at the forefront when it comes to security. So we're making sure that internally, because we have all these high standards, that people are also made responsible.
Ma'am, can you categorically say na meron po talagang mananagot dito para dun sa ma-appease yung clients?
At this point, maybe it's something that I don't think we should be discussing. But what I want to reassure the public is that we will have a resolution, and the resolution will be done within the day.
May investigation din po bang gagawin?
Yeah, as we speak, it's already happening because we have to make sure that we resolve the problem immediately.
Have you experienced such a technical glitch in the past as well? Or is it the first time?
I think this is the first time that it happened this way. Yes, yeah. Actually, because of social media and how the information is being brought out, sometimes it's also getting blown out of proportion. So it's not happening to all clients. It's not happening to all clients, but because someone in social media says that, hey, my account has happened, and then now it becomes, oh, and those where nothing happened, and that say, oh, my account is okay, right? So of this magnitude, I think when we're looking at it, safe to say that it's something that we are able to address. Okay, and we will make sure that we're able to solve the issue.
Ma'am, anong range po yung na-debit or na-credit? Magkano po yung nakita ninyo? Kasi may bibili ito, 12 billion pa nga yung na-credit.
Yeah. Well, it's a wide range. But for those, the question is, that's why we're saying it's a system glitch. Because if you get credited that much, is that real? Some news might be real, some news might not be real, right? So we are actually looking into that.
Kasi na-verify namin, ma'am, iba 12,000, mga 21,000. Pero gaano po yung inabot? Meron po ba talagang inabot na billion or million na gano'n?
Oh, I don't have the data with me today, right? Or at this moment. And it's something that we will make sure whatever the amount is, it gets properly debited or credited back.
Ma'am, i-clarify ko lang po. Pag halimbawa po na withdraw niya, hindi naman niya sinasadyang sumobra doon sa withdraw niya. Next withdraw ba niya o next deposit niya makakaltas po sa kanya?
Yes. Yes. And we will advise the client. Alam naman ng kliyente kung magkano yung balances po nila. I think honestly, we all know that we as responsible people, we know more or less our balances. And we know how much money we have in the bank. More so it's in the bank because those on social media are actually saying na wala yung kanilang pera. So yung mga nadagdagan po ng pera, alam po nila na nadagdagan kasi nga, meron po akong message na, uy, mayaman ako. Sabi ko, wait, don't touch your money kasi alam mo naman na hindi iyan yung pera na naman. So the same way we want to be just and help, we also want our clients to also do the same to us. It's a two-way
Ma'am, paano
partnership.
na-wipe yung account mo, nag-zero balance ka, kailangan mo ng pera, paano po yun? Emergency, kailangan mo ng pera, zero balance ka.
No, wait. Zero balance, but it means that you have money. Meaning meron kang balance. Ibig sabihin, ang nakita mo, nag-zero ka, pero actually kahapon may pera ka. Okay? They just have to go to our branch and do the withdrawal over the counter because we will be able to rectify that.
So ma'am, yung
Hindi
zero
lang siya
balance,
nasa electronic.
yung zero balance na mag-appear sa ATM lang po. Pero pag
Yes.
lumapit ka sa teller,
Yes, correct. Pag pumunta ka po sa teller namin, ano po nila kung magkano pwede niyong i-withdraw.
Ma'am, when are you targeting the return of electronic services? Is it also within the day or?
Yes, before the day ends, hopefully it should be out.
And ma'am, how has been your coordination with the regulator, with the BSP, in your assistance? Have you reached out to them or did they reach out to you?
If I'm not mistaken, I think Governor Escamilla has already put out a statement. So we are in close contact with the BSP.
Can you give us at least the percentage of how many accounts were affected and your overall account?
Yeah, not at this time.
Are there any foreign accounts affected?
If there was any transaction from April 27 to May 2, there may be, but I cannot tell you at this time.
Ma'am, it's limited to bank accounts. I mean, deposit accounts, not credit or.
No. Yes, just accounts.
Ma'am, does it include UTI Family Bank?
It may be affected too,
Ma'am, how about corporate accounts?
as well.
So they're not affected?
No, as long as there was a transaction between April 27 to May 2, some may have been affected. Some.
I'm just curious, what happens, for example, if a company or an individual issues a check and
Yes.
the balance, I guess, is erroneous? What happens to... will the check bounce, in other words?
No, what will happen for check issuances, they will have to do it as one-on-one in the branch. We have processes in place to review. Some checks, we will have to call the companies as well as make sure that the balances are there. So we have a protocol in place.
But even for example, automatic...
Because all our electronic channels are down, that we put it down, it will not process. So, yes.
What has been the extent of withdrawal since this morning? Are you able to serve all of them? And will you be needing liquidity support from the... No.
Actually, what we saw, because we've been monitoring, so early in the morning, people were a bit worried, but when we put out our advisory that it is really a system error, a lot of people have been calm. That's the reason why we're trying to explain that if they didn't get our Facebook or our news message, we want to make sure to the public that we are assuring you that any funds, if you need it today, please go to our branches. We're not worried because I think we are always ready to have our branch doors open to any of our clients.
So there haven't been any extraordinary withdrawals?
There were lines in some branches because of this, but actually the lines are now lessening because they realize, oh, okay, give us the day, we will make sure that everything gets fixed.
Ma'am, any branch po, alimbawa, nag-open ako sa isang branch dito sa Makati, then andito ako sa Quezon City, or do I have to pumunta muna ako ng Makati to make the withdrawal po?
Right now, we are branch anywhere. However, with this situation, it will take a little longer because they will have to do some verification. So we have very strict guidelines and processes as well in our branches. So if you really don't need your money, don't be worried. The money is there. No one will lose money from this activity. It is an internal system glitch. It will be corrected before the day ends.
Ma'am, what can you say about the magnitude of the problem? Malala po ba or hindi naman because you can control?
It's being made big because of social media, but actually it's contained. Okay, I just want to reassure, and that's the reason why we asked our friends here, because we're trying to say that some people are panicking, and we're saying, please, do not panic. Please be guided that we will make sure at BPI. Let me reiterate that we at BPI will make sure that because we have the highest and strictest standards when it comes to security, we will make sure that your money is there.
I just need to clarify. You said you are doing your own investigation.
Just like in any company, right? When something goes wrong, there's a protocol. We are making sure that when you say investigation to us, it means that for us to address the root cause, we have to know exactly what happened, when it happened, at what time it happened. And therefore, we have that as early as 4 a.m. this morning.
And you also want to know if there have been any lapses on the part of your people.
Yes, that's all. Definitely, that will all. It's just like any business. We are making sure we adhere to the strict protocols that we have in the bank.
Ma'am, 100% sure today po, maayos na.
Yes. Yes.
Anong oras mo?
Within the day. Alam mo kasi, di ba, pwede kong magbigay ako ng oras, tapos, di ba? So, within the day,
sila pumunta ng
yeah.
yung within banking art pa, 7:59 yun.
Within the day, we promise to have it up and running.
Ma'am, sir, can you just clarify? You mentioned that the situation is contained. What exactly do you mean by that?
When we say contained, that means that we are able actually, because we know the root cause, right? We know how to solve the problem, and we know exactly who were affected and who were not.
This
right?
is nationwide, right? It's not just
yeah,
limited to
it's just
region.
those who made those transactions on those dates. Right.
Ma'am, if there's a problem with your account, do you need to report it, or it will just, automatically be fixed? Or
Yes, it will automatically be fixed. You
Okay.
don't have to report it.
The system in place.
May danger po ba na kapag ako nag-post ako dun sa comment nyo, no, sa FB post nyo, sinabi ko, zero balance ako, may danger po kayo? Baka pwedeng magamit yung account ko? Pwede po ba?
Well, what we're telling the public and what we've told the public, please do not post any personal information or your account information. We strictly follow RA 1405, wherein we do not tell any person if you are a BPI client or not. If you put it in Facebook, you are actually doing it to yourself. So we ask actually clients, please don't post any personal information about your account. If you want to tell us or talk to us, there's always PL, private message. Okay? Please don't post. We also will remind the public to please be very vigilant. Please, we at BPI do not ask for any information online. Do not give any information online. Even if it seems to be that it looks like BPI, feels like BPI, please let us remind the public, please be vigilant. You also have a role to play in your personal safety.
Actually,
problematic still in the data? Is it will be correcting the mistakes that might be
No. We're so confident that it will be solved because we know the root cause. We're really confident. Yes.
Ma'am, may action lang po na mag-investigate po yung Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas sa BPI.
If they do, every year, nandyan naman po sila eh. So, alam naman nila po yung how strict we are. They know how strict we are, and therefore, when we give the reassurance that we know the root cause, the regulators are aware of our processes. So, they know.
So, confident po yung PPI, ma'am, na meron po kayong safety measures in place?
Yes, we are very sure.
Ma'am, sorry, just a little bit on the root cause. The system that you have in place, is it proprietary or is it?
Proprietary.
And the root cause really is a software error, not a human error.
Yeah, that's why I said it was a glitch. So I picked up a wrong file. So it's a glitch. Yeah.
So even if you'll be able to fix it within the day,
yes.
I would imagine that you're going to have to upgrade the system at some point, or will that all of that be able to be fixed within the day?
Because we know exactly where it is. Our technical folks are very confident that the problem will be solved. They are extremely confident.
Would you say it's a small portion of the account that's affected, or
it's
substantial?
I would say it's a small portion. Yeah, it's relative. That's why I can't give you numbers. Yeah.
Sorry,
yes.
Is it nationwide?
It will be nationwide, but we have most of our clients here, so it will affect more people here than people in the outside.
How big is your total client?
We have about over 8 million clients, right? So it's a small.
How do you think this incident will affect yung mga yung confidence ng mga clients natin?
I think because we know exactly the problem and we know how we're solving it, their confidence, we are 166 years old. And our clients have been with us for a long time. So there's a lot of trust. And they believe that when we say that we have the solution, I think it will be there. For those who are nervous, we want to tell them, we're making sure that you don't be nervous. We will make sure we fix it. Will it affect BPI? There will always be negatives, but I think there are more positives than negatives. But this situation, we have to, again, it's being brought out of proportion. So we just want to make sure it gets also identified.
First time ba nangyari?
Yeah, I think it's the first time. It's my first time, yes. I think it's the first time.
Ma'am, if the glitch was baked into the system, what does BPI think set it off?
That's what our CIO is actually on top of it. She's been looking at it, reviewing how did that happen? Because we've been going for so long, right? Why today? So that's actually what they're doing now.
Have there been smaller scale problems of this sort leading up to this?
Not really. Yeah. Not that I know, but in the back, I don't think so.
Okay, thank you everyone for coming. In case you don't have Kathy's name, it's Catherine Santa Maria. She is Senior Vice President of